So this is the second part of the installation or setup process for the mini saw, the Saker mini saw. We are going to do the backer and baffle installation. So if you gonna look at the manual, it says place the metal backing at the position shown. So you're gonna have to follow that um, instruction, but here's the video. So there's a bag with the screws that came with it. So you might be a little confused as to where it is. It's a separate bag because um, the backing is on a separate bag as well. But if you zoom into the pictures, you will know which screw it is. But that's the screw. So you're gonna have to screw it, uh, push it in from the bottom because you will lock it in on the top. So here it is. So you're just gonna lock it that lock that part and the other side as well. So once you have those locked in, you will then install the baffle. So just you can adjust it by loosening and tightening the screws on the top. So that's done. Now you're gonna have to go and install the baffle. No, not install the baffle. The baffle is the clear one. So it's not a big um, unit. So make sure you look into the baffle in one of the bags because it's small. So it just covers where like the blade is. So you have to install um, the connecting shaft first. That's the connecting shaft, and then the baffle is here. So I'm showing you the picture as well in the manual. Because the manual is really small, you want to zoom it with your phone. And then all you need to do is connect the screw and then connect it to the shaft. I'm just making it slow for you so you can see where exactly and the screws that you're needing to use. So here it is. So just connect it on that shaft, the gold one. And then after that, you just have to tighten it, and then just position it in place. It's the one on top of the blade that we just installed on the first video. So that's the backer and baffle installation part.